Hey guys, I'm Rachel, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a 3D illusion hole using the Color Therapy app. This is a perfect beginner's tutorial for creating an illusion that there is a hole in your paper. You can also use these steps with regular drawing paper too. The black filled in lines help to guide the eye down the pit. So for this one, I'm just using the regular drawing paper under Pixel, and it's under drawing paper. So the first step is to draw a diamond shape. So I'm going to use the manual mode, and I'm going to select just the pencil tool and have the opacity at 50% and the size at like 5%. It doesn't really matter too much. This is more of just sketching out the shape first. So you want to make the shape a pretty wide diamond shape. So just go ahead and just sketch it out on your paper. Just make sure that all of the lines are pretty parallel so you can fix them up if you need to. Now just cut it in half from the top point down to the bottom point with a line. And now we're going to draw in those stripes. So just starting from the top, just go ahead and draw lines, and these are all parallel to the lines above it. Now you're going to fill in the stripes with black. I would use the marker tool, opacity 100 and size 40, and start off with just coloring in that bottom square or the diamond shape with black, and then work upwards, coloring in every other stripe. Don't worry about it being extremely perfect yet. We can clean those lines up later. After you have the bulk of the stripes colored in, you do want to just like lower the size a little bit and just go ahead and just clean up those lines using white and make them very precise, as well as using the black. You want those corners to be very sharp. And make those lines as parallel as possible. Okay, so now that you got all the lines cleaned up, let's go ahead and shade the right side. So let's go ahead and lower the opacity to about 7 and the size to 30%. And still using the marker tool, you're just going to start to shade, and we're going to just go ahead and do it only on the right side. Remember, with the marker tool, if you overlap it, it's going to get darker with each layer. So you can use that to your advantage. So I'm going to make the very last white stripe the darkest, and then one above that is going to be a little bit lighter, and then the top one's going to be even more lighter. And that's it. To complete this, I used the carving effect to make it look like stone walls. Try drawing other objects around it or interacting with it for more of a challenge. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Color Therapy YouTube channel so you don't miss any new tutorial videos. Thanks for watching our tutorial. You can get the Color Therapy app for free on the App Store.